Mastering bright, a key word for IELTS success. Imagine a sunny day or a clever student. What word might describe both? Today, we're exploring the word bright, an essential term for your IELTS vocabulary. Word type. Bright is primarily used as an adjective, though it can sometimes function as a noun or adverb. Meaning, bright has several meanings. It can describe something that gives out or reflects a lot of light, like the sun or a lamp. It also means intelligent or quick-witted when talking about a person. Additionally, it can refer to a vivid or strong color or a happy and cheerful mood or atmosphere. Word history. The word bright comes from Old English. It has been used for over 1,000 years to describe things that shine or are intelligent. Antonyms. Some opposites of bright include dull, dim, dark, gloomy, and stupid. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to bright include shining, brilliant, clever, intelligent, vivid, and cheerful. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use bright in different contexts. The bright sun made it hard to see without sunglasses. She's a bright student who always gets top marks. He painted the room in bright colors to make it more cheerful. Their future looks bright after getting their dream jobs. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse bright with other light-related words. For example, brilliant is more intense than bright, while light is a more general term. Also, remember that when describing intelligence, bright is more common in everyday speech, while intelligent or clever might be used in more formal contexts. To wrap up, bright is a versatile word that can describe light, intelligence, colors, and positive situations. Practice using it in different contexts to improve your IELTS score. Remember, the more you use new vocabulary, the brighter your language skills will become.